And what I am doing, I am just resetting y value. Let's say 2. This is called recovery mode, and in recovery mode we provide our logic to recover from our exception. Okay, so let's go ahead what this was. Because guys, this chapter and next chapter, in the starting of when we started chapter 5, business object onward, I told you that our next 3 or 4 chapter are very important. So up to exception handling, this chapter, error management, and next chapter, that is case management, that is related with the queue. These are very important, and as frequently you use these into your main program or in your application. So this will make your program or your project more robust. How frequently you use this? So it is to make your application, make your project robust. So let me run it quickly. So error come, we handle the error, resume nullifies the error, and our process completed. Okay. So we can do this also. After resume, we can do this also. If it is y value has been changed, then we want to divide. Okay. I'll run it again. Okay, y value changes. Now it provides the value. So any doubt up to now, guys? In this we have done this. I was just want to recall what we have done yesterday. Okay, because today's class will be based on the yesterday class, so that's why I want to recall. Any doubt up to now? Okay, I'm assuming no. So one thing what we have discussed, see, there is only one recover. Okay, uh, uh, is this doubt comes in mind of any one of you that if there are multiple recover, what happened? Have we discussed that yesterday or not? When you are working with your project or in any pages, having two recovery stage will be only nothing but they are redundant. It is just a duplicate. It will not of no use. Any error occur in our logic, however big our program is, like there is only one calculation, like suppose there is 100 calculation stage, 100 other logics are there. Any error occur in any of the our stage, only one recovery stage is able to handle all those error. Any error occur at any instant, our flow will be jump from here, from this logic to our recovery logic, which is here. Okay,